everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you are watching my third vlog since I started them 2 days ago. Today I'm shooting with the same GoPro camera but in a super wide angle, the third angle that it has. Yesterday was the linear, I think it's called, angle, and before that it was just the narrowest angle that I have on the GoPro. It's GoPro Hero 5, I think. I'll write it exactly which one it is. 6 black, not black, but I don't think I think it's just Hero 5 or Hero 6. And if you're interested to see how the same view looks like with the other two modes, you can check the previous vlog or the one before that. That's pretty reasonable. It's 8 a.m. The day has just started. Yeah, and I'm already ready to be done with it. Yeah. I'm joking, no, I'm actually ready. Oh, it's just like in that video. Vaccinated, caffeinated, and freshly masturbated, ready to grab the day by its balls. Consensually, of course. My favorite turn. Look at this. Now, would you look at this? Now, would you look at this? That's why it's my favorite turn. That was perfect. Perfection. -1 today. It's starting to get warmer. So even when temperature drops at night, the lowest it is in the morning, because I didn't really check during the night, but in the morning it's only at about -3 or -6, and then during the day it goes up now usually to +3, +4, maybe even +6, +6 sometimes. Yeah. Thirsty for talking. Young Street, La Laker. License plates on the Q3 without any chrome, blacked out. I mean, and maybe even and tinted windows a little bit, but not too much. Probably all to code. I should check how much you can tint in Ontario legally. I'll write it here. See, more and more car content appearing in the vlogs. So now you know what's the legal parameters of tint that you can do for your windows in Ontario. The turn that is usually pretty heavily used in this area to get from west to east and east to west has something parked there right now, like if there was construction, like if there is construction. Maybe it's just like a road work or road service that they're gonna do, maybe like cleaning or something quickly, and maybe it will be removed in a couple hours, I hope, but we'll see. But it is a pretty heavy turn. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, it is, they're cleaning, so it's probably gonna be removed in a couple hours. But I don't know if 8 a.m. is the perfect time to choose to do that. But then he can, like that person or that company might have several jobs to do, so that's how they scheduled it. Okay, I'm gonna continue going about my day, and I'm gonna film more for you guys, so stay tuned and continue watching this video. It's a GoPro Hero 6, by the way, because it says it when I turn it on. And road work, the road cleaning that they scheduled for 8 a.m. or maybe earlier, but at 8 a.m. it was still happening. It's still happening at 9 a.m. and now there's more congestion there than there was before. Here, I'll show you. Right there. Yeah, perfect timing, perfect timing. So I'm gonna continue driving and I'll film more later. Okay, while I'm standing here in the traffic, I could not film the Subaru. And this is what I'm talking about. And then there's another nice yellow Porsche and the GLC 63S. So many fast cars here, eh? Well, off I go. No more traffic. Thank you. Well, no one knows what's in the front. We'll see. Yeah, but that road cleaning at 8 or 9 a.m. Maybe they thought they'll finish fast and then they run into some problems. Just weirdest time to do it at 8, 9 a.m. on a Wednesday. Yeah. Well, people make choices. Hello everyone. My day is still going well. It's about 2:30, 3 p.m. right now. Yeah, and I finished work already. That's amazing. So I'm gonna go and sleep a little bit and rest. Now, I'll try to edit some videos and maybe put some of these vlogs together. Probably not though. So, bye.